Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix A D3d11 compatible GPU, feature level 11.0 shader model 5.0, is required to run the engine. Error on Windows PC. Firstly, make sure your graphics cards are DirectX 11 compatible. Method 1. Stay up to date. Firstly, update graphics driver. The best way to update your graphics drivers is to visit their homepage. There, you will have two options, automatic update and manual update. Alternatively, you can also use Device Manager to update the graphics driver. After making sure you are using the latest graphics driver, then go to Settings and check for Updates windows. If there is an OS update available, update your PC. Restart your computer and see if the error still occurs. Method 2. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Please click the link in the description to access the Microsoft Visual C++ download page. Then start with Visual Studio 2012, both x86 and x64 versions. Followed by Visual Studio 2013, VC++ 12.0, which downloads both x86 and x64 versions. Finally, Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022, download them one by one. Wait until all files are downloaded on your PC. Install all packages you have downloaded by following the instructions. Once done, again restart the PC. Finally, check if you have fixed the D3d11 GPU error on your PC. Method 3. Install DirectX Enduser Runtime. To do that, please click the link in the description. After that, click on Download button. Once the file is downloaded from the website, run the program and wait until the updated files are installed successfully. Reboot your computer and launch the game. You will not face the error now. The next method, if you are using desktop PC, try unplugging and replugging VGA card. Method 5. Run the games with DirectX 11. On Epic Games Launcher. Open the Epic Games Launcher. Then, tap the profile icon button on the top right corner of the Epic Games Launcher window. Then, press the Settings option from the list. Now, click on the conflicting games title to expand the list of options. Then, press the Additional Command Line Arguments checkbox. At last, type D3d11 in the text box as shown. On Steam. Open the Steam library. Right-click on the conflicting game and select the properties. Then, in the General tab, enter DX11 in the Launch option box. On Battle.net. Open Battle.net, then go to the conflicting game. Click on the gear icon, Settings, and then click on the game and Settings. Press the Additional Command Line Arguments checkbox. At last, type D3d11 in the text box as shown. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall graphics driver using DDU Sofware. Go to Guru 3D website, then download display driver uninstaller software. After that, install the DDU software. Open the DDU software and uninstall graphics driver. Restart your computer. Visit AMD or NVIDIA homepage, then download your graphics driver and install it. Finally, check if you have fixed the D3d11 GPU error on your PC. If none of the above methods help you, then you should consider reinstalling the Windows operating system or upgrade GPU hardware. That's it guys. If you have any other method, leave a comment below the video. Thanks.